doing well. This is a new video about Nifty 50's levels for the next couple of days, 3 days. What levels we are going to see, how the price is going to react, and what is likely to come up on the price. There is a lot of fuss about Nifty's fall. Indeed, there is going to be a fall of Nifty, but not at least for the next 2-3 days. Post that, we are going to see probably, I think, sometime around expiry, before or after a couple of days of that, this ongoing June expiry, Nifty is looking pretty much bearish. There is one level of Nifty which is pending actually, which it has not achieved. It is like 1600 to 16200. This level is pending, so it has not achieved yet. So I'm expecting maybe this level, if it can come, or the price just goes down and it touches 15350 region sometime, and then it goes up from there. So these are the two levels, like this is 153 and 350, let's say, and this is 1600, 16100. So in between, how the price is going to behave, we are going to see in next couple of weeks, in fact. So before that, we will just see what is going to be happening in the next 2 to 3 days for Nifty. Rest assured, Nifty is not going to break 15550 level at least before this expiry. This is almost 96%, 96 to 99% sure. Why? I'm going to explain in the subsequent analysis. So without wasting time, let's get back to the charts. What's happening here? Do you guys observe a pretty peculiar pattern in the Nifty for the last few of these, heavy sellings? Let's look at it. Selling, V-shape recovery. Selling, V-shape recovery. Selling, V-shape recovery. And this is everything, whatever happened in this particular month of June. And this is selling and V-shape recovery. Do you observe one interesting thing here? Every time there was a V-shape recovery, price always touched the top of this fall, and either it break. So tomorrow we are definitely going to see, in our next 2 days, we are going to see price touching this level. So this level is approximately, what's the level? So this level is 15756, definitely going to touch. SGX Nifty is down. It's trading at 15550 or 70 on Friday, and people are expecting a gap down. Even in the gap down case, just one thing that is very important to understand, that price is going to sustain in this particular region. So if it opens here, let's say gap down opening, so this closing was so this Nifty 50 closing was, I think, around 683 or something. So we had a closing on Friday 15683 somewhere, and XGX Nifty showing price trading at 15550 or something. So if a SGX just goes sideways, and tomorrow morning we see a price opening somewhere here, then we will see straight away price going up. Why? Because you see, this is a like multiple times price has tested here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This price, this candle. If you see this particular candle, just look at this candle. The price tries to pierce of this long-term held support. So this support started from the month of, I think, 3rd of June. So the whole month this support is being held, right? So this support is pretty important, and like on Friday also we saw price piercing in this particular candle and closed above, but the very next candle it closed below. But if those who have seen my yesterday videos, Nifty 50 option, monthly option buying, I've explained the reason of strong rejection or strong wick on a particular candle and what it means. And if you had seen this video, you would definitely believe why this price went up, right? So what is going to happen on Monday? So if price opens here somewhere, gap down around 590, 600, you know, so you can, what you can take support is like, let's say, this particular region, and in fact not this particular region. So let's say, what's the low of this particular candle? 567, 15567. So this low is very less likely to be broken. This will act as a support. So for the next 2-3 days, I'm not expecting 15560 level to be broken. Price shall not go below this level. Okay. So what we will see on Friday, on tomorrow, on Monday opening, price may open here, gap down, and it will shoot. First target will be this. What is the high? 15,756. And if it takes support, goes up little. This is because this is the immediate swing high. And once it goes up from here, next target will be 15,810. 15,810. And if it crosses 15,810, so this is going to be, coming here of this swing. This is this, so this will be the next swing high here after that. So this is almost in the region of 15,850. So next you can expect price to go 15. We can take the high of this particular candle, 15,880, and once it crosses there, we might see what is going to happen. Either it is going for 16,100 plus, or going to go down further till 15,350 or 15,400. So but for the next 2-3 days, you are going to see this price structure. Price gap down opening here, going up here, coming to this swing high, either breaking or sustaining in this region, then taking support and going up to 15,810 and 15,880, right? So this swing high is very important actually. So these three levels are definitely we are going to achieve, and we are going to see 15,560 is good support here, and it shall not break. So this is a typical Nifty structure for the next 2-3 days, and it is buy on rise as of now. But overall, if you ask me, the Nifty is in bearish mode, and I'm expecting, if we go to the daily chart, I'm expecting it to, what is this level? Let us see what is this level. 15,350 or 15,344. So the next swing high is this. So the price is, as per the price action advanced theory. Once it breaks, so this, if these two swings, this and this, they were not broken up by a good candle, right? It's a sort of doji candle. So if you had seen my yesterday's video, if you haven't seen, please go through it, and it's a very important video. You can see the concepts are applying here, right? How? I'll show you just now. Let's look at this candle, this particular candle. I had shown there that if let's say this is a resistance, either price opens below this, breaks it, takes a support and goes up. This is one way of taking support to resistance conversion, sorry, resistance to support conversion. This is one way. Second way is when price opens above the resistance and it does not take support, it does not come for retesting or pullback. This is scenario second. Please go through the video, yesterday's video, Nifty 50 monthly option buying. I have explained this concept in detail there. And in third concept, in third situation, price opened above this resistance, but somehow it just consolidates there, tries to have a small pullback and then goes up. These are the three conditions price behave around and above resistance level. So in this particular case, in a daily chart, Nifty have not broken this particular resistance area with a good candle. It just opened above it and it never came for retest. It just shoot up, and now it may come down here for retesting. If I say for a long term buying opportunity, 15300 to 15400, 15400 is a pretty good area for Nifty buying, those who are going to buy for, let's say, few months or so. But this is exact situation we will get to know once the price comes here, and how it behaves here. If it's going to take support, consolidate support and go up, then we can decide. But as of now, the structure is, for the next 3 days, Nifty is going to follow those levels as I mentioned just now: 15 8 15 750 to 880 level, 830 880 level, and then retracing, definitely going to retrace. So it is like this, will be like this in the daily chart, going up, and then it will come down and take some support here. So this particular phase we are going to see in the coming 3-4 days, uh, probably around expiry time, and after that we might see a very clear move in Nifty. So this is the situation on a daily chart. Now how to do options? So what you can do is, on a hourly chart, if you're going for, so now this is a monthly option buying of Nifty. Once price goes above this, so tomorrow we are expecting somewhere, let's say, if there is a gap down, so let's say this particular swing region, if you are seeing a gap down around 600 or 590 or something, you can take a stop loss of this candle stop loss. You can put a stop loss here and you can go for buying. It's a small stop loss. What's the low? 567. So you can put a 560 stop loss, buy around 15 sorry 15 15 560 stop loss, and you can buy at 15 600 or whatever, first 3 minute good candle. Once you see at this, around this level, this type of candle, or a big green candle like this, something like this, so you can just go for buying and keep a target, first target here, which is 756, 15756, first target. And you can exit your option position, because then we might see some option premium decay here for next 2 days, and then price may go up till another level, which is 15 830 to 880, let's say 880. So the next entry will be here at this particular point, once you see a good candle here at 3 minute, and you can buy a good option here. So this is the second entry. So there are two entries we are going to see here for the next 2-3 days, and after that we may we may just take a sell up position here. So guys, this is the Nifty view for the next 2-3 days, and if you have any question, put in the comments, ask whatever queries you have, and hopefully you're going to make money tomorrow for sure. Thanks a lot for watching.